Hi everybody and welcome back to my English tropical garden. Well, it's a glorious day outside, but unfortunately I've got a little job to do indoors. I've got some aloe veras. I expect a lot of you grow these aloe veras. They're so easy to grow, but I've neglected mine for, I don't know, quite a few months, perhaps even years, and they've grown out of their pot. So what we need to do, we need to propagate them or move them on, give them bigger homes. And here are just a few of them. This one here, look, there's loads in there. This one, I don't quite know what to do because no one's got a flower coming. Can you see that? It's just started to flower. And I've got one over here that's been neglected. It's a bit dry. So I can probably get quite a few out of these. And yeah, I'll show you how I do it. Hope it'll help. And let's carry on. I'll make a start with this one here. I'll take it out of its pot. And because it's been in there such a long time, they get a little bit tatty, a little bit scruffy if you like. So I like to tidy them up a little bit. So, best way of doing that is split them up so you know just about how many you've got. Take off any little dead bits so you can see. Just put them away. And then I'll take a pair of scissors. Snip out some of the little dodgy bits. Just to make them look a little bit better really. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I think it smartens them up anyway. So we cut those away. And this one here, this one's quite big. There's not a lot of root on it, but they don't need a lot of root. Amazes me how they grow really. There we go, that's a nice one. So we'll put this one on. And yeah, I'll show you how I do it anyway. And you can copy me. Any that you need to do, just follow my example. These ones I've taken, I'll put these to one side. Now, with the bigger ones, I like to use a proper pot. Do you know what I mean? Like a terracotta pot. Basically, because these plants do tend to get a bit heavy. So I'll get one of these that's got a hole in it. Put a few little bits of crock in the bottom there to stop the soil falling through. Just a couple of bits, 2 or 3 bits, that's fine. And I'm going to use just ordinary potting compost. Nothing special. These plants don't need anything special. They grow pretty much anywhere. So we'll put this in and start to fill up around the side. There's 2 there, they're sort of joined together. There's a little dodgy bit, we'll take that off, we don't want that on there. And that little bit there, snip that off. Doesn't hurt at all. Put that to one side. And we're going to continue filling the pot. Hold it up nice and straight. Put some soil around the base there. A little bit around the other side. Just enough so that you can just press it down gently and give the plant some support. There we go. Any excess soil that gets around the pot, we just wipe that off. Needs a little bit more on that side. Don't have to go too high, not really, but just high enough. Up to where it was before. Perhaps it's gone a little bit higher, not too much. There we go, another little bit. Another little scruffy bit, off they come. Now all we need to do now is give it a little bit of a drink, not too much, just to help it on its way. If you overwater these, they do tend to get a root rot, if you like, so and then you might lose the plant, even though it is easy to grow. They don't like too much water. So that's that one done. Just got to do all the rest now. And there they are. I've got quite a few plants out of that. Hope you've enjoyed this latest video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all again next time. So bye for now.